A travel survival kit is essential for anyone who wants to be well prepared for unexpected situations while on the road. A thoughtfully crafted kit can provide comfort, convenience, and security, covering everything from basic first aid to emergency shelter and tools. This will guide you through the steps of building your own travel survival kit, so you can feel confident and ready, no matter where your journey takes you. Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more travel tips and tricks to make your adventures even better. 1. Choose the right container. Before diving into the contents, you'll need a durable container that's portable and easy to carry. Some people prefer pouches or small backpacks, while others opt for waterproof cases or fanny packs. Here's what to consider. Size. Your kit should be compact enough to fit in a backpack, suitcase, or even under a car seat. Water resistance. If you'll be in wet climates or near water, a waterproof case is ideal. Organization. Look for bags or cases with compartments to keep items easily accessible. Examples include tactical mola pouches, waterproof dry bags, or multi-compartment organizer bags. 2. Essential health and first aid items. Having a reliable first aid kit is crucial for handling minor injuries and illnesses. Include these basic items: adhesive bandages, different sizes for minor cuts and scrapes, gauze pads, and medical tape for more substantial injuries that require dressing. Antiseptic wipes, essential for cleaning wounds and preventing infection. Tweezers and small scissors for removing splinters or cutting gauze. Pain relievers like ibuprofen or acetaminophen for headaches, muscle aches, or fevers. Antidiarrheal and antihistamines for digestive issues or allergic reactions. Personal medications, bring any prescription medications as well as extra doses. Thermometer, a small digital thermometer to monitor fever. Face masks and hand sanitizer, especially important in today's travel environment. Pro tips: pack items in separate resealable bags to keep everything organized and waterproof. Check expiration dates regularly and replenish items as needed. 3. Emergency tools. If you're venturing into the outdoors or unfamiliar areas, these tools could prove invaluable. Multi-tool or Swiss Army knife includes knife, scissors, screwdriver, and other small tools. Compact flashlight or headlamp, preferably waterproof, with extra batteries or a hand crank mechanism. Fire starter, waterproof matches, a lighter, or a fire starting kit for emergencies. Duct tape, useful for repairs, from torn bags to broken tent poles. Paracord or strong rope can be used to make a shelter, repair gear, or secure items. Signal mirror and whistle to signal for help if you're stranded. Pro tips: opt for quality over quantity. A durable multi-tool and a bright flashlight are better than multiple cheap options. Learn basic survival skills like building a fire or using a signal mirror to make the most of these tools. Shelter and warmth supplies. If you'll be in remote areas or cold weather, a few lightweight items can make a significant difference. Emergency blanket made from mylar. These are lightweight, compact, and great for retaining body heat. Compact tarp or rain poncho can be used as a shelter or ground cover. Warm hat and gloves. Even in warm climates, temperatures can drop unexpectedly at night. Hand warmers, disposable hand warmers, are lightweight and help prevent hypothermia. Pro tips: consider using a bivy bag if you'll be in a cold or wet environment overnight, as it offers better protection than a blanket alone. Keep shelter items in an easily accessible part of your kit in case of sudden weather changes. Basic food and water provisions. In emergencies, having a few essentials on hand can prevent dehydration and keep your energy up. Water filtration straw or tablets, essential for purifying water if you're far from clean sources. Collapsible water bottle takes up minimal space and allows you to carry purified water when needed. Energy bars or trail mix, non-perishable, calorie-dense foods to keep you going. Electrolyte tablets or packets to help with hydration and electrolyte replacement. Pro tips: store food in airtight, resealable bags to keep it fresh and prevent attracting animals or insects. Check the expiration dates on food and water purification items regularly. Navigation and communication tools. Getting lost can be dangerous, especially in remote areas or places with limited cell service. Equip your kit with the following map and compass. Even if you have a GPS, a map and compass are reliable backups. GPS device or emergency locator beacon. If you're hiking in remote areas, a personal locator beacon or PLB can help rescuers locate you. portable phone charger or power bank. Keep your phone charged for emergency communication or navigation apps. Pro tips. Familiarize yourself with map and compass reading before your trip if you're heading off the beaten path. Opt for solar-powered or hand-crank chargers for longer outdoor excursions. Traveling can often mean limited access to amenities, so packing a few comfort items can make all the difference. Travel-sized toiletries are a must. Pack mini versions of toothpaste, deodorant, and wet wipes. Biodegradable soap and tissues are really useful for quick cleanups, especially in natural settings. A quick dry towel is small, lightweight, and ideal for drying off or even creating some shade. Don't forget insect repellent and sunscreen. These are essential in hot or buggy environments. Here are a couple of pro tips. Choose unscented products for toiletries to avoid attracting animals or insects in the wilderness. And for longer trips, consider adding laundry soap sheets for easy clothes washing. Personal documents and essentials. It's wise to have digital and physical backups of your most important documents in case of theft, loss, or emergencies. Passport, Idaho, and travel insurance card. Keep physical copies as well as digital backups. Emergency contact information, including the contacts of local embassies or consulates. Credit card and small cash stash. Have backup funds on hand in case of emergencies. Pen and notepad, useful for jotting down directions, emergency information, or notes. Pro tips. Use a waterproof document pouch to keep important documents dry. Take photos of your documents and store them on a secure cloud account, so you have access if your kit is lost or stolen. Add personal touches. Everyone's travel needs are unique. Customize your kit by adding items that meet your specific travel plans, preferences, and needs. Here are some ideas. Earplugs and sleep mask. Helpful for long flights, noisy hostels, or camping. Mini sewing kit. Handy for quick repairs to clothes or gear. Comfort snacks or tea bags. A small luxury that can boost morale on tough days. Portable entertainment. A compact book, small journal, or pack of cards can make downtime more enjoyable. Pro tips. Be mindful of weight and bulk. Focus on items that bring comfort without taking up too much space. Rotate or update personal items based on your current needs or destinations. Test and maintain your kit. Once your kit is assembled, take time to test the functionality of each item. Check your flashlight, make sure food hasn't expired, and practice using any tools you're unfamiliar with. Here are some tips for ongoing kit maintenance. Review your kit regularly, especially before and after each trip. Replace items that have expired or been used. Update your kit based on seasonal needs, destinations, and any personal changes in medication or requirements. Conclusion. Creating your own travel survival kit is an empowering process that can make a significant difference in unexpected situations. By gathering essential health items, tools, shelter, food, navigation aids, and personal items, you can create a compact, lightweight kit that's tailored to your travel style. With thoughtful preparation and regular maintenance, your survival kit will be ready for any adventure, ensuring that you're equipped for both everyday needs and emergency situations. Safe travels! Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and guides.